Keep the line tight. There you go. Alright, I got one red out of the way. Small redfish to start the day.
Nice.
A little.
To be a certain size?
Yeah, he's a keeper.
Oh, good.
He swallowed it.
Get it up there.
Very cool.
He took it way down there. Yeah, that point is where they always hang out.
You got bait back and everything.
He's only 19, but he's a keeper.
He's pretty.
So I pretty much just put them in the rod holders, and then once in a while I pick them up and jiggle them. Oh, and sometimes it gets them excited like that.
Well, just jump.
I think a red just ate it.
Yes,
Got him. That's a good fish. I don't know what it is though. It kind of felt like a red. It's red. That's what we want. Alright, we only need one more for a limit now. That's a beauty right there. That's what we want. A good 23. Get him off the boat. Good fish.
He was nice to fight.
Yeah, they fight hard.
Wow, he is pretty.
That's a good one. Slowly and let it sit.
Oh.
Oh, don't jerk it. Let it sit. Reel in your slack a little bit. Let him eat it. Nope. He's still playing with it. Is he on there? Yeah, he is. Hook it. That's a big red. So I watched that line so closely. That's a big redfish too.
Nothing but teeth hanging out.
Look at that quick limiter redfish. Got another big one on.
Nice.
They don't get it easier than that. You just gotta watch that line when it's sitting there. I saw that fish swim toward us and then he swam away and then...
He's strong.
That's a big one. That's even bigger than the last one.
That is a nice fish.
Now, do they spit hooks, Justin?
No. The reds are so easy to catch. They never fall off and you can do whatever you want to them. That's why they're guides' favorites. You got fish on?
Yep.
Nice. Flipping in reds like that.
Cool.
Well, we need him to catch one before we leave, but I kind of want to get out of here.
Yeah, let's get out.
Yeah, let's get out of here and we'll go. We got plenty of other places to go. Good redfish. What are you doing?
I'm trying to fish this hole right here, seeing something swirl.
Oh, I got a good fish on.
See another swirl right there, Justin. What do you think this is?
So I just mullet. The reds are up there in the cut.
I can't do cast way up there.
Catching fish in 6 inches of water. Nice little redfish.
Look at that swirl.
You see him?
Uh-huh.
It's a big red. Oh, he's coming for it. He's coming for it. Dude, he's right over my shrimp. Oh, he turned and went left. Oh, he's circling back. Do you see him turning back?
I do see him.
Look, I'm jiggling it just enough for him to see it.
See him?
Big redfish. Look, I'm attracting him. Eat my shrimp. Oh, that's textbook. I just snagged that rock. Come on, take it off the rock. I'm snagged on the rock right in front of him. Oh, he just spooked.
Cast out there?
No. Oh yeah, you can cast past him. Try not to scare him.
I'll just wait.
He's hungry. No, cast it past him. He's looking for my shrimp. Try to reel it into him real slowly.
There he is.
Oh yeah, he's right there. That is beautiful.
It's super shallow now.
This is as easy as it gets. Got him. You want to fight him? That is a giant redfish. Isn't that awesome? It doesn't get better. That is the coolest thing you'll ever see in Yankeetown. Watching a big old redfish eat it right in front of you. He was in 3 inches of water. Wow. Like his whole body, we watched him and everything. I dangled it in front of him just enough to give him to eat it. That beautiful backwater Yankeetown redfish. That's a nice fish. It's a little different than mahi fishing, ain't it?
Yes.
But they're powerful fish.
This is a blast.
They're beautiful fish. Honestly, just seeing that red just swimming in the bank like that. Flat calm back here. Sometimes it's worth getting the boat stuck. Nice fish. Wow, that is a gorgeous
Super
red.
cool.
That is a gorgeous big old Yankeetown redfish. Is that a redfish?
It looked like it.
Catfish? Red.
We don't need them.
Can't eat those. Be a drum. Jack. A trout from the tower. The smallest sand trout ever. You're catching another big sea trout? What the heck? You got the sea trout hole over there. Look at a little sand trout. Good trout splash. Yep, spotted, yep. Needs to be a little bigger. Is it another trout? Oh yeah, it's way out there. You're way behind the boat, aren't you?
Yeah. Just right off the back corner.
That's a sand trout. That's a keeper. That's a good one. That's what we're here for, those guys. You just got lucky they got 2 nice sea trout. That's a big trout. I think it's a big silver. I don't see spots. Oh, it's a spotted. Dang it. No way that's fishing. Dude, you're gonna go back. Stop. Is it a 15 incher? No, that's a 14 incher. Sure runs anymore. Y'all ready?
Yep.
It's getting late.